ever paid very high ridiculous gas fees on Uniswap, then watch this video to the end as I will be showing you how to pay as low as 0.5 cents as gas fees. Yeah, so this is Uniswap interface, and if you notice, actually I'm trying to run a simulation of how I want to swap 0.02 worth of Ethereum. So if you notice, 0.02 worth of Ethereum is about 47 bucks, and the gas fee that I'm expected to pay in this case is $14, or the network fee. Does that make sense? Is that right? So this network fee actually varies and it changes with time. So $14 now, it is $12. Before now it was $9, then it fluctuates to $8, $11. So but if you notice, we are on the Ethereum main network. The network here is Ethereum. So be leveraging on the power of Optimism, a layer 2 protocol. Does that make sense? So if you want to read more about Optimism and its protocol, I'll just be dropping the link in the description box below. But what you just need to do is to make sure that you've added Optimism in your metamask. Is that right? To add your Optimism in metamask, what you just need to do is to go to chainlist.org and add it up. Although we've made a video before now on how to add any kind of chain to metamask. So this is a service that is super wow, and you can use it to add any kind of network to your metamask. So what you just need to do is to connect network and type the name of the particular network you want to add. So Optimism, and it adds that for you. Is that right? Add to metamask. So once you've added that, come back here, then select your network. All right, so Optimism, metamask will be called and you'll be asked to switch. Okay, so you give it permission, switch network, and here we are. So I want to swap max. All right, so it's not actually allowing to swap max, maybe half of it, to USDT. Is that right? Now look at where the magic happens. The gas fee came out briefly. So are you seeing the network fee? So check out the network fee. 0.0 network fee, $0.48. That is 48 cents, not up to $1. Does that make sense? It actually changes with time, but this is crazy. The gas fee that you pay on the Optimism chain. So you can go ahead to start using layer 2 protocols right away. So one of them is Optimism, others is Arbitrum and the likes of it. So hope you got value in this video. Go ahead to support our channel by smashing the subscribe button right away. Also like and share this video. So we are going to complete this swap now by hitting on swap and paying the network fee 0.48. So swap. So it brings up this network fee, this price impact, this. So I confirm swap. So that is how easy it is to carry out swap on Optimism using Uniswap.